Hello and Merry Christmas, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all you back to my southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. It is so cold outside and I wear my pajamas and I'm craving some hot chocolate. So today I'm going to share with all of you a peppermint hot chocolate. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and it is next level good. Everybody's going to enjoy this and it will warm up your soul. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my hot chocolate recipes playlist and my previous video, shortbread cookies. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your milk, your cocoa powder, and your peppermint extract sugar because we're about to make some peppermint hot chocolate magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my medium saucepan, I got the fire over high heat. I have 1/3 cup of boiling water. And we're going to add in 1/2 cup of white sugar. 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and a dash of salt. Going to give this a quick stir. And all we do is bring this back to a boil. Alright my friends, our cocoa mixture has came to a boil, so I'm doing now is cut the heat down to low and we're going to let it simmer for 2 minutes. Alright my friends, it's been 2 minutes. So now we're going to add in 2 cups each of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream, and whole milk. Give it a quick stir. And all we got to do is let the milk heat through. You don't want it to boil. As soon as our milks get nice and hot, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our hot chocolate is nice and hot. So now we're going to cut the heat off and add in our last 2 ingredients. The extracts. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. And 1 1/4 teaspoons of pure peppermint. And give it a stir. And now our hot chocolate is ready to serve. So now I'm about to fix me up a cup and then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I poured my hot chocolate into a glass. There's a few more things we're going to add to it. Some whipped cream. Some chocolate chips, a straw, and a little candy cane. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Peppermint hot chocolate. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. Oh, it's bursting with goodness. And I can taste that peppermint extract is not overpowering. And I can taste the cocoa. Oh, ain't nothing like peppermint and chocolate. This hot cocoa is scrumptious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Peppermint hot chocolate delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Much love, stay safe, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. Cheers! Mm-mm.